Hi, this is a video on the Joby GripTight 1 micro stand. Now this stand is a very tiny tripod suitable for cameras and phones. Now I bought this one with the Joby phone grip mount with it. You can buy it singly with the tripod stand as it is, and it comes in, as far as I know, in white or black. I got the white one, so I bought the white one, and I originally bought this off eBay. That's where I bought mine from. Before I open it, let's go around the packaging, see what's there. On the back here it shows, I'll bring that up to the camera, it shows a phone in it on a airplane table here. It shows it folding up, and with the camera and with the phone mount, and you can also attach the phone mount to a tripod, and the whole unit together is small enough to go into the smallest pocket of your jeans. Now it states on here it can go from between 56 to 91 millimeters, or 2.2 inches to 3 inches wide in height. So it can accommodate quite large phones that way, widthways. So let's open it up and see what we get. Now I've took them out of the packaging, as you can see, and we'll talk about the mount first. First of all, the mount is made out of plastic. It's very lightweight. As you can see, we got the Joby branding here. We have the screw hole for the 1/4 inch thread, and we got a lanyard hole here. And now the grip is rubber, and it's got some rubber inserts inside the plastic here. Now it folds out that way, as you can see, and it has spring loaded for your phone. So I'll use this phone as an example. As you can see, that's how it fits in. And that's the phone mount. So it folds down quite flat. So that's the phone mount. Now the tripod, that's the side view. It is very, very flat, made out of a nice it feels like aluminum, it's most likely steel. It's crafted quite well. It has a rubber round here, and I take it that there's a slight bit of movement in it, so you can reposition it and you can tighten it here. It literally folds out like that. We have some rubber feet here, and at the sides, I'll try and get it into focus. You can see there's these little offshoots here which fits into this groove here and that groove there, so it keeps a nice tight together fit. And what I'll do is I'll screw the phone mount to it. and that's with the phone mount. I'll try and get another angle on there. Now that's how it looks with the phone mount on there, as you can see. And I'll put a phone in to show you how it looks, which is not going to be much different than the picture, but I'll put a phone in. Now this is how it looks with the phone on there, as you can see. And you can swivel this around. Now if I put my finger on this leg and the back leg, you can see it can tilt. So you can tilt with it, and it can, I'll try and do it, you can swivel it around as well. To try and take the leg on there. You can turn it around as well. It does turn around, so you can mount it in any direction. So it does tilt and move around. And as I said, it's suitable for cameras, so you can place your cameras on there. I'll place my Insta 361 on there just to show you. Now I've took the phone mount off, and this is my Insta 361 camera I've placed on there, and that goes to show you how small this tripod is, because this is a small camera and that's even smaller. And as you can see, I can tilt the camera up and tilt it down, and obviously I'll move it. You can move it there, so you can move it around on there without screwing it off. But as I says, you can literally, if I spread that out, it is a bit stiff. It is stiff, but that's what you need it to be anyway. But as I says, you can place your camera on there, no problem. So any camera with a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom will fit on this, no problem. This will really be good for your 360 camera, whether it's the Insta 361 or the 1X. And if you have the DJI Osmo with the Polar Pro mount, you can fit this on there as well, so you can get some table shots if you want, or some really low shots.